Did you know the mango is not just the most eaten tropical fruit in the world, but also one of the most ancient cultivated fruits known to humankind? Every year, over 40 million tons of mangoes are harvested and devoured in delicious forms, from street-side smoothies to luxurious desserts. But how did this sweet, sun-kissed fruit earn the title of King of Fruits? What secrets lie behind its juicy golden flesh? And why is it so beloved across so many cultures? In today's deep dive, we'll discover everything about mangoes, their royal history, mouth-watering varieties, incredible health benefits, and tasty ways to enjoy them. Whether you live in Florida, California, or anywhere in the US, stay with me till the end to become a true mango connoisseur and maybe pick up some fun trivia to impress your friends. Let's peel back the skin, literally and figuratively. The mango's scientific name is Mangifera indica. It belongs to the family Anacardiaceae, which surprisingly also includes pistachios and cashews, and even poison ivy. Mango trees are impressive giants. They can soar up to 100 feet tall, with deep green glossy leaves and small fragrant flowers that bloom in clusters. A mature mango tree can live for centuries and keep producing fruit year after year. It's not unusual to see 300-year-old trees still bearing fruit in India. Mangoes vary widely in shape, color, and flavor. Some are slender and kidney-shaped. Others are plump and oval. Their skins can be green, yellow, orange, red, or a stunning blend of all these shades. Inside, the flesh is rich golden yellow, juicy, fibrous or buttery smooth, and bursting with a sweet aroma that hints of tropical sunshine. Popular commercial varieties include Hayden, Kent, Tommy Atkins, Atalufo, and Kate, each with a unique taste and texture. Some are tangier, others melt like butter. The story of the mango is as rich and flavorful as the fruit itself. Mangoes are thought to have originated more than 4,000 years ago in the lush forests of South Asia, primarily in what is now India, Bangladesh, and Myanmar. Ancient Indian scriptures, poetry, and folklore are full of references to mangoes. They were revered not just as food, but as symbols of love, prosperity, and immortality. Indian rulers cultivated vast mango orchards. It's said that Emperor Akbar the Great planted an orchard of 100,000 mango trees, known as Laki Bagh, in the 16th century. As trade routes expanded, mangoes journeyed across Asia through Buddhist monks and Persian traders. In the 15th and 16th centuries, Portuguese explorers carried mango seeds to Africa and Brazil, and later they spread to the Caribbean and the Americas. Today, while India remains the largest producer, accounting for nearly half of the world's mangoes, major growers also include Mexico, Thailand, Indonesia, and even parts of the southern US. In many cultures, Mango trees are planted near homes for good luck, and mango leaves are used in rituals, weddings, and festivals. Mangoes are not just tasty, they're truly a nutritional powerhouse. A single cup of fresh mango, about 1 medium fruit, provides over 60% of your daily vitamin C, boosting immunity, skin health, and wound healing. Vitamin A, vital for clear vision and a strong immune system. Vitamin E, which acts as an antioxidant to protect cells. B vitamins, especially B6, which supports brain health. Plenty of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and promoting gut health. Mangoes also contain over a dozen polyphenols and antioxidants, like mangofyrin, quercetin, and beta-carotene, that help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress. Mangoes are incredibly versatile in the kitchen, making them a beloved fruit around the world, and especially fun to experiment with in American recipes. Fresh mango, the simplest pleasure. Just slice and eat. Many people score the flesh into cubes and turn the peel inside out for easy bite-sized pieces. Smoothies and shakes. Blend mango with yogurt, milk, or coconut milk for a creamy tropical drink. Add a splash of orange juice or pineapple for extra zing. Salsas and salads. Diced mango adds sweetness to fresh salsa. Combine it with tomatoes, red onion, jalapeno, cilantro, and lime. Serve with tortilla chips or on grilled fish tacos. Grilled or roasted. Grilling mango caramelizes its sugars, enhancing the sweetness. Try grilling mango slices and serving with vanilla ice cream for a simple dessert. Baking and desserts. Use mango puree in muffins, cheesecakes, or tarts. Make mango pudding, mousse, or the famous Indian mango lassi, a refreshing yogurt drink. Pickles and chutneys. In many cultures, unripe green mangoes are used to make tangy pickles or spicy chutneys, adding zest to savory dishes. And don't forget dried mango, a chewy, naturally sweet snack, perfect for lunchboxes or road trips. Let's sprinkle in some mango trivia to amaze your friends. Number 1. Mangoes can weigh over 5 pounds. Some giant varieties in South Asia can grow as heavy as a small watermelon. Number 2. Mango leaves are used for decorations. In India and Southeast Asia, fresh mango leaves are strung together and hung over doorways during festivals and weddings to symbolize good fortune. Number 3. There's an international mango festival. Every summer, New Delhi, India, hosts a massive festival celebrating hundreds of mango varieties, with tasting competitions and cultural performances. Number 4. National Mango Day exists. July 22nd is unofficially celebrated as National Mango Day in many places, the perfect excuse to indulge in this juicy treat. So there you have it, the mango, an ancient fruit with a royal history, irresistible taste, powerful health benefits, and countless ways to brighten up your meals. Whether you slice it fresh, blend it into a smoothie, or spice it up in a tangy salsa, the mango is proof that nature really does make the best desserts. If you enjoyed exploring the sweet world of mangoes, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Fruitful Learning, and click the bell icon so you won't miss our next fruity adventure. Now, let's hear from you. What's your favorite way to enjoy mangoes? Fresh, dried, blended, or cooked? Share your delicious ideas in the comments below. I love reading your tasty thoughts. Until next time, stay curious, stay healthy, and keep enjoying nature's most flavorful gifts. Thanks for watching, and happy mango season!